Cloves are one of the best natural plants and have wonderful health benefits, but millions of people don't know the best way to take cloves to recover from many diseases and obtain a huge amount of amazing benefits that change your life for the better, as taking only 3 sticks of cloves give your body all the health benefits it needs. Before we start, if you have taken gloves, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. What happens inside your body when you take cloves if you want a healthy life free of chronic diseases? Be sure that cloves are your right choice. We'll talk about the hidden side of cloves. It's known to everyone that cloves are the distinctive smell of a dentist's office as they work to relieve tooth pain. When 1 or 2 sticks of cloves are placed on the inflamed tooth, it immediately soothes it, and we also recommend using it on the tooth that has pain until you go to the dentist. But now we will talk about the other secrets of cloves that you'll be surprised to know. As cloves are distinguished by the presence of the active substance that is considered a magical substance, which is eugenol. And this substance has several properties. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal. In addition, this substance is considered one of the most powerful natural antioxidants in the world. So in this video, we will talk about the amazing benefits of cloves, what diseases it treats, and the correct ways to take cloves. As there are many ways to take cloves based on the reason for use and the benefit you want to. We'll also talk about how to prepare a wonderful recipe for cloves that everyone can take, whether sick or healthy. The health benefits of cloves are considered one of the most powerful treatments that contribute to acne problems, as they are considered a powerful antibiotic and antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal, which treats acne. All you have to do is put 3 clove sticks in boiling water for 5 minutes, then fill the water and wipe it on the face, or the affected areas. And secondly, it is a wonderful treatment for stomach ulcers, as cloves have therapeutic properties for the stomach ulcers, which many suffer from, has an effective role in fighting candida and worms in the digestive system. All you have to do is put 3 sticks of cloves in 100 milliliters of water and boil them well. Then take a teaspoon in the morning and a teaspoon in the evening of this drink, and after a few days, you will feel noticeably better. Third, reducing stress. It's known that increasing stress affects the increase in diseases and pathological symptoms, which leads to an increase in cortisol, the stress hormone, which causes many problems for the body's health, especially heart disease because it reduces the essential minerals present in the human body, such as potassium. To relieve stress, all you have to do is put 3 clove sticks in a cup of green tea and drink it because of its many benefits for the health of the body. Fourth, enhancing testosterone. Recent studies have shown that cloves enhance testosterone, the male hormone, as it enhances sperm, which increases blood flow and a feeling of activity and vitality for all men. In addition, this hormone enhances other aspects, such as treating hair loss, as well as treating acne and all facial problems, and treating all prostate problems, and a useful treatment for infertility in men. The best use of cloves to enhance the testosterone hormone is to grind 2 sticks of cloves and add them to a cup of milk and drink it, as the milk is characterized by enhancing the probiotics present in it, which gives a sweet taste with the cloves, which enhances the hormone testosterone. Fifth, strengthening the immune system. Cloves are rich in minerals and vitamins, as a teaspoon of ground cloves provides 30% of the recommended daily amount of manganese, which is necessary for the health of the body. It also provides 4% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin K and 3% vitamin C in addition. Cloves containing nutrients such as magnesium, calcium, and vitamin E. They're also a good source of fiber. Cloves are considered one of the plants that contributes greatly to strengthening the body's immune system and also reducing the incidence of infections in the body. All. What you have to do is put 3 sticks of cloves in a cup of green tea. Sixth, regulating blood sugar, as cloves contain manganese, which plays an effective role in regulating blood sugar as well as controlling insulin in the body, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels. Seventh, promoting respiratory health. Cloves work to prevent upper respiratory infections, alleviate the symptoms that accompany them, and protect against colds, influenza, coughs, and asthma, in addition to prevent sinus infections and preventing bronchial infections. It also works to expel phlegm and get rid of it. Quickly, eighth, it helps in losing weight and burning fat, as it reduces the feeling of hunger because it contains high percentages of healthy fiber, which works to reduce the desire to eat and feel full. Ninth, improving liver functions, as cloves contain antioxidants that work to get rid of liver fat, preserves the liver and improves its enzyme levels and makes the liver healthier. 10th, improving bone health. Cloves are rich in manganese, which is involved in the bone formation process and is important for bone health. It also increases the density of minerals within the bones. In addition, cloves reduce joint inflammation and are considered a wonderful treatment for rheumatoid, as studies have shown. 11th, cloves are a powerful anti-cancer, as the active substances in them work to poison cancer cells in the colon and also destroy cancer cells in the breast. Wonderful recipe for preparing a healthy drink from cloves. All you have to do is prepare 200 ml of water and 3 sticks of cloves in addition to manuka honey. Add the cloves to the water until it boils for 15 minutes on the fire. Then leave it until it cools. Then pour it into an empty cup and add a spoonful of manuka honey because of its benefits that enhance the quality of this drink. It is taken in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening, 1 hour before bed, and after a few days, you'll feel noticeably better and feel energetic. Quick warning, though pregnant women shouldn't take cloves except after consulting a doctor so that it doesn't negatively affect the fetus, and cloves aren't safe for children under 14 years of age because it has many side effects. Cloves are also not recommended for those who suffer from bleeding disorders, as clove contains the chemical eugenol, which can cause bleeding in people who suffer from bleeding disorders. Cloves are also considered unsafe for those who will be performing surgical procedures during or after surgery. Therefore, you must stop taking cloves for at least 2 weeks before the scheduled surgery date. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Share your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.